yes, this is a weird brace. We'll get to that in just a second. Tell you exactly what I've been up to over here in my little corner of the world. A lot of stuff's happened since the last time I uploaded a video. As some of you that have followed me on Instagram and Facebook, you kind of know what's been going on. So we'll just start it off right with the bad news. August 30th, my motorcycle was stolen. LILITH, the Road Glide, all-time favorite bike, stolen by this scumbag. And then it was found about 5-ish days later, looking like this. Yeah. I got a call about 7 in the morning from the local sheriff saying, hey, we found your bike. I'm like, hell yeah, great news. When can I come pick it up? He said, well, you can come get it now, but you need a truck. Obviously, based off the picture you just saw, it's not drivable. Long story short, insurance totaled it out. So I've been without a bike since August 30th, and it has literally been the longest 2 months, almost 2 months of my life. It was a terrible time for it to happen. Not like there's a good time for something like that to happen, but this time of year in Utah, from like September to middle of October, is literally prime riding season to go hit the canyons, watch all the awesome colors of the leaves changing for fall. The temperature is always perfect. It's in, mid 70s, low 80s, perfect temperature. Haven't been able to do that. So I've been kind of shopping around. New bike, coming from Florida. Shout out to Gator Harley Davidson, Big Mike over there at Gator Harley Davidson, for hooking me up with a solid deal on the new bike. The new bike, well, you're just gonna have to see what I ended up picking up. So that is coming up next. Like I said, the transport drivers should be here any minute. So I'm just waiting for the carrier to get here, and that'll be coming up on the next video. But while I've been without a bike, I needed some reconstructive hand surgery done. So I went ahead and did that. I would show you pictures, but it's pretty gruesome. I'm sure some of you would want to see it. Anyway, there's this really long incision all the way up my hand, and then there was an incision here, and then there's another incision on the inside, this part, where they transferred some tendons and placed them in different areas and took some hardware out. And anyway, so I'm on the mend. I can ride. I just got to take this off. I just got to be super careful with my thumb, not overdoing it. So that's definitely happening today if the carrier ever shows up. First thing I'm doing, I'm jumping on that bike just because I've been jonesing so bad. One thing I will say is this new bike, one of the perks about it, other than it being brand new, is they went ahead and did something I was already gonna do. As you guys know, I loved my Kraus T-bars that I had on the previous bike, that install video that we did. If you haven't checked out that video and you're looking to do a set of T-bars, you can find that video up here somewhere at the top. I'll post a link for it. It should be floating around here somewhere. And so yeah, I'm happy with the choice. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what it is that I ended up buying. You're gonna have to just check out the next video. That's why you're not seeing a bike anywhere in my garage, is because some scumbag stole my other one, and I'm waiting for the replacement. So that's what's been going on. Like I said, it was the end of August, so we had all of September, now part of into October. It seems like it's been a lot longer than 6 weeks. I'll tell you what, I feel like it's been 6 months that this has been going on. So I'm happy to be getting a new bike. We should have some decent riding weather this week. and then we're gonna start getting pummeled by snow in probably 2, 3, 4 weeks. So at least I'll get a solid week of riding before the official end of the warm season. But yeah, just a short little video, guys. I just wanted to check in, kind of give you an update on what's been going on. We do have a lot of stuff planned for this new bike. It is completely stock other than those T-bars. So everything that I do to it, everything done to it, you're gonna see it right here on the channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, and you're gonna wanna check out the videos coming up of the things we do with this motorcycle, definitely hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. It goes a long way. Your support is very much appreciated. And we'll talk to you soon. As always, much love from Utah. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And we'll see you very, very, very soon. Because like I said, as soon as that trailer pulls up, I'm going to start recording. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Peace out. Much love. Yeah. Bye.